Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. Today we're going to talk about blocking unwanted phone numbers with the BlindShell Classic phone. So in the BlindShell Classic phone, you have the option to block unwanted phone numbers. If we go into the call menu here,
dial contact 1 of 4.
And we go all the way to the last option in the list.
Dial number 2 of 4. Call history 3 of 4. Blocked numbers 4 of 4.
We have blocked numbers. I'm going to click OK.
Sam CV 1 of 2.
And I have blocked myself just for demonstration purposes. And so this is the entire list of your blocked numbers. I only have one in here. But in order to add more numbers, you can do it several different ways. One way is to click once to the right.
Add blocked number 2 of 2.
And you can manually type in a phone number here to add to the list. Another way to block someone is if you receive a phone call, then you have the option to block that phone number. So I'm going to go into my call history where there's a list of all the numbers that have called me recently.
Dial contact 1. Dial number 2 of 4. Call history 3 of 4. Outgoing. Voicemail. December 30th.
Now this is a phone call that I actually made. I called my voicemail, but we have the option to block this as well. And an incoming call, you would do it the exact same way. You just click onto that call.
Dial 1 of 6. Write SMS 2 of 6.
And if I navigate to the right,
length of the call 0 second. Block number 4 of 6.
I have the option to block the number, and I can just click OK.
Do you really want to block this number?
I'll get a little warning asking me if I really want to perform the action, and I would just click OK again to do that. But I'm going to click back because I don't want to block my voicemail number.
Call 1 of 9.
So what happens when you receive a phone call from a blocked number? And what does the blocked caller see on their phone? Or what happens when they try to call your phone and their number is blocked? So I am currently calling my work phone, and my voicemail has just picked up. So, because this phone number is blocked on my BlindShell Classic phone, nothing happens on the phone. I don't receive a call, I don't get a ringtone, I don't get anything. The caller just goes right to my voicemail. And the next time I wake up my phone,
call 1 of 9. 1 new notification, 11:28 a.m. December 31st, 2019.
I have a notification. So if I go to the left here to my notification menu,
turn off the phone. 1 new notification, 8 of 9.
If I click OK on that,
call from Sam CV 1 minute ago, 1 of 2.
It shows that I did receive a call from that blocked number. So you don't actually get a phone call, your phone doesn't ring, anything like that, but you do get a notification that someone tried to call you, so you can either call them back if you would like, or jump into your voicemail and listen to the message. And the person who is calling you, the person with the blocked number, they don't get any indication that their number has been blocked. It simply goes straight to your voicemail. So that is how to block phone numbers on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. If you would like to learn more about what your BlindShell Classic phone can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and check out all of our tutorials.